Hello and welcome to English Reading and Writing. In the lesson of today of vocabulary, we will learn about the parts of the house. These are important vocabularies that we need to learn. We start with the first one, which is house. House. This is a house. You have to learn it in a sentence. This is a house. This is not a door, but a door in the outside, which is gate, which is called gate. This is a gate. This is a gate. Next, we have garage. This is garage. This is a garage. The arrow is to the window. This one, it is window. This is a window. This is a window. The arrow is here to the wall, so this is a wall. This is a wall. The arrow is here, so this is a roof from the inside of the house, and it has a different name, which is ceiling. This is a ceiling. This is a ceiling. This is a kitchen. This is a kitchen. This is a bathroom. This is a bathroom. This is a bedroom. This is a bedroom. This is called block of flats. So these are flat 1, 2, 3, etc. They are called block of flats. This is a block of flats. This is chimney. This is a chimney. This is dining room. This is a dining room. This is a door. This is a door. This is a hall. This is a hall. This is the floor. This is a floor. These are steps. These are steps outside of the house. These are steps. And inside the house, these are stairs. These are stairs. This is a roof. This is a roof.